guys, it's Mukin. I just woke. You guys don't know what time I woke up. The time that I don't know so much time yet, but the time right now is 7:09. 7:09. It's like not even daytime yet. I'm gonna stop this video and then I'm gonna show you guys. Guys, look. The sky is literally a different color. It's like a white kind of color, but not so white. It's like pink. Guys, I am back inside. It's so cool.